everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I want to talk to you about growing basil in April. Yes, it's still a little bit early, but I could not resist these beautiful plants, which I have cut way back, that I saw today at Wegmans. Yes, Wegmans, the grocery store. I am so excited to have fresh basil tomorrow, and I just couldn't resist buying these little plants. I love that they are actually selling these as rooted plants, and I think one of my friends in Pennsylvania is the one that's growing these, Lloyd Traven of Peachtree Farms. So I thought that it would be kind of fun to start so early. I don't usually start my basil seeds until like the end of April because I just don't have room anywhere in my ground because everything is filled with cool season plants. So, everywhere you look, the ground is covered, and that's intentional. It's so that I don't have as many weeds. But it also means that I am not going to be ready for warm season plants to go in the ground, usually until like after Memorial Day into June. Often I'm still planting summer things up to the 4th of July. Here in North Carolina, that's not a problem because we don't usually get frost until close to Thanksgiving. So that's plenty of months to be able to grow through the real heat of the summer. And that's why I always choose very intentionally to plant a proper spring garden to truly enjoy this season. But like most of you, I can't control myself when I go to the store, clearly even the grocery store. And so I got these, and I thought it would be fun to just have them growing in pots. So if we do get cold, I can bring them in really easily. And the process for potting these up could not be easier. I am just using 2 containers that I already have, and I'm gonna fill them with a mix of compost and pine bark, and that's because that's what I already have in my wheelbarrow. Nothing too specific about that. Usually I use straight compost, but right now I have it blended. And now this root ball, because there are like, I don't know, 20 seedlings in here. You could actually divide each one of these if you were really ambitious. I don't have that many empty containers, so I'm just gonna keep them as 2 clumps, but I am gonna split these roots, and that will help them initiate better root development. And just plant them in, fill them back up, and I'm gonna place these right next to the pots that I have done by direct seeding lettuce. That way they're right off my kitchen. It's really easy for me to be able to go out and harvest as I need. And I am just so thrilled to have like the taste of summer earlier than usual because of a recent Wegmans visit. So I've situated this basil along these steps that go right into my kitchen. Very specifically, this is a great microclimate. This is south facing, so it gets full sun most of the day, and the adjacency to the house in these brick steps helps give this a little extra temperature boost, which the basil will really benefit from. Now, if we get much below 45 degrees, I will bring the basil inside because this is a plant that is notoriously sensitive to cold. Remember, it is still April. Your soil temperatures in zone 7 and then going north are still too cold to be putting warm season annuals into the ground. So you're best to wait a few more weeks, just be patient. Your plants will perform significantly better when your soil temperatures warm up. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to grow some basil. Keep it somewhere that's close and convenient so you can use it on a regular basis as you are cooking from your garden. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.